Good morning, children. Open your new Sparkle semester series, Standard 2nd, Semester 1 book. Page number 21. Page number 21. That is exercise. Circle the correct word. Circle the correct word. 20 doggies, froggies went to school. 20 doggies, froggies went to school. So, circle what you are going to circle? Froggies. Froggies. You have to circle the froggies. Their coats were green, white. Their coats were green, white. They were green. Circle the green coats. Then, their vests were dirty, clean. Their vests were dirty, clean. They first play study. They first play study. What they do? They first study. Circle the study. Then come to the third one. Come to the third one. Use the words given in the brackets and fill in the blanks. Use the words given in the brackets here. Quote, rules, beside and pull. I sit dash my friends in the class. I sit dash beside. I sit beside my friends in the class. There is a big swimming dash in our school. Swimming pool. Swimming P-O-O-L pool. My father wears a coat to office. My father wears a coat to office. We must follow certain rules in school. We must follow certain rules in school. Now, activity language development. Read the following statements. The right rule. Correct the right rules. First, A1. We should get up early every morning. We should get up. Only they have asked to tick the correct one. Okay. We should get up early every morning. That is correct. We should not brush our teeth at night. It's not there. Only they have asked to correct. Only the correct one we have to tick. C1, page number 22. We should switch off the fans and lights when we leave the class. What we have to do? We have to switch off the fans and lights when we leave the class. Correct. We should wipe our hands with our clothes. We should wipe our hands with our clothes. There is nothing. Only they have asked to tick one. They just ask us to tick the correct one. We should never share our toys. We should never share our toys. That is also not given. Only they have asked us to tick the correct one. Writing skill. Write any 2 rules you follow every day. That you have to write. Write any 2 rules you follow every day. Speaking skill. Have you ever got into trouble for breaking a rule? Tell your class about it. Have you ever got into trouble for breaking a rule? Tell your class about it. Now, grammar activity, adjectives, describing words. Grammar activity, adjective, describing words. Sana is trying to describe the following food items on the basis of look, taste, feel and color. Circle the words that describe the lemon and apple. So, here 2 items are given. 2 items are given. One is lemon, limbu and the other one is apple. Other is apple item. 2 items are given. So, we have to identify and describe it. How it is. So, it is round. It is round. Then how it is? Which color it is? Yellow color. We have to circle the round. It is yellow color. Then it is juicy and it is sour. it is sour. This will be green color also. Lemon will be of green color also. But they have given here yellow color. So yellow we have to see. Yellow is there. So we have circled the yellow one. Then apple. Second one is given apple. Food item on the basis of look. See. This is apple. Apple is round. Apple is round. It is red color. It is smooth. It is sweet. Okay. So, this way you have to identify the words and describe the lemon and apple. We have described it and we have written. Describe the chilli and bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. Chilies are red color. Chilies are, see, this is chili. Chilies are red color. They are hot taste. Chili, do you like to eat chili? Mirchi? Yes, no. We put in the, only in the vegetables, when we prepare the vegetables. They are hot taste. They are hot taste. They are small or big size. They may be small size, they may be big size. They are smooth feel. They are very smooth feel. Bitter gourd is green in color. Bitter gourd is green in color. This is bitter gourd is green in color. Karela. Then it tastes bitter. Kadwa kadwa. Bitter means kadwa. It is small size. It is rough feel. It is rough feel. Then underline the describing words. Underline the describing words. This is a big bowl of sour curd. This is a describing word. See, this is a big what it is describing, no? What it is describing, this is a big bowl of sour curd. Sour curd. This is a big bowl. So, big is, we are describing, underline the describing word. Big and sour. Big and sour. Sana has long black hair. Sana's hair is long and black. So, long and black hair. So, underline long, describing that is long and black. Samir carries a blue bag. It is a heavy bag. Samir is describing about his bag. That is blue bag. Blue and it is heavy. It is heavy. It is a bright day. It is a hot day. It is a bright day. Bright and it is a hot day. It is a hot day. Now challenge. Select one animal of your choice. Describe this animal using 5 describing words. Write in your notebook. Write in your notebook. This you have to write. This you have to write. So the homework will be from page number 21 to 23 and select one animal of your choice you have to write. You have to write. And 23 from page number 21 to 23 you have to write for 2 times. You have to write for 2 times. Then you open now page number 25. 25. Exercise. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Choose the correct answer and fill in the blanks. Nathuram was a, here is a dash, shopkeeper, cobbler, farmer. Nathuram was a farmer. Nathuram was a farmer. You have to choose from shopkeeper, cobbler, farmer. You have to write here farmer. He had dash sons. He had 4, 3, 5. How many sons? 4 sons. He had 4 sons. We must always remain united so no one can harm us. Separated enemies united. We must always remain united so no one can harm us. Nathuram was very dash in the beginning, sad, happy, unhappy. So in this you have to choose and write the correct answer. Nathuram was very unhappy in the beginning. In the beginning. Who said the following words and to whom? Who said these following words and to whom? What it is? See here. Try and break the stick. Try and break the stick. Who said this and it was said to whom? Try and break the stick. Nathuram said to his 4 sons. Try. Try and break the stick. Father said. Okay. Nathuram. His name was Nathuram. Nathuram said to his 4 sons. Said to his 4 sons. Then, it is impossible to break the sticks in the bundle. In the bundle. So, Balu said to Nathuram, this stick is not possible to break. It is impossible to break the sticks in the bundle. Only you have to write Balu. Balu said to Nathuram. Balu said to Nathuram. Now, page number same 25. Activity language development. Activity language development. Complete each sentence with the help of the given pictures. With the help of the given picture. See here. An egg is oval in shape. Oval in shape. An egg is oval in shape. Then, the moon and the stars shine in the sky. The moon and the stars shine in the sky. The big yacht is sailing. The big yacht is sailing. Amita and her family has a small house. Has a small house. Amita and her family has a small house. Now turn page number 26. 26. Second one. What are the animals in the picture doing? Look and say. Look and say. Match the animal. Match the animal. Name in column A with the correct part of the sentence in column. Sentence in column B. And make sentences that tell what each animal is doing. Write the sentences in the space below. In the space below. See here. A and B. A and B. The tall giraffe. The tall giraffe is eating green soft leaves. The tall giraffe is eating green soft leaves. With the help of this picture, you have to identify and write. Then, second one, the crocodiles. The crocodiles are swimming in the pond. The crocodiles are swimming in the pond. Can you see the crocodile here? See how it is swimming. Then, the zebras. The zebras are gazing in the soft grass. Gazing in the soft grass. Can you see the zebra? Yes. What it is doing? Grazing. See. Here. Then, D1. The python. The python is coiled up on a tree. Is coiled up here. Coiled up a tree. Two rabbits are digging burrows. Two rabbits are digging burrows. Okay? Yes. Now, writing skill. Write 5 sentences on my family in your notebook. Write 5 sentences of my family in your notebook. You write about your family. Speaking skill. Tell your class about your family. Tell your class about your family. Then, activity grammar, verbs, action words. What do Tarun and Tanya do every Sunday? Fill in the blanks with words that name the actions. Name the action. Tanya waters the plants in the morning. Tanya waters the plants in the morning. Tarun cleans his bicycle. Here, bicycle. Tarun cleans his bicycle. Tanya writes a letter to her grandparents. Tarun plays piano lessons. Tanya reads a storybook. Tarun goes for tennis practice. Goes for tennis practice. What do the following people do? A baker bakes cakes and cookies. A doctor treats. T-R-E-A-T, treat his patients. A cobbler mend, M-E-N-D, mend the shoes. A soldier dash the country, guard the country. No, a doctor treats. Then a cobbler mends. A cobbler mends the shoes. This way you have to go on writing. Page number 25 from 21. Page number 21 to 27. 21 to 27 you have to write for 2 times. With this we will meet in the next video, children. Thank you.